The IT conversation seems settled. The future is only the cloud, right? But for AI workloads, what if on-premise is up to 18 times cheaper? This isn't just AI, it's about hidden data egress fees that drain budgets. It's also about a risk many ignore, vendor lock-in, trapping your business. We'll now show the 4 cases for on-premise: control, security, cost, and performance. Let's begin with the foundational advantage: total ownership. With on-premise, you control your hardware, software, and your data completely. This isn't about preference, it is about precision. Direct physical access lets you fine-tune your network for workloads the cloud can't match. This control also protects your history. On-premise allows for smooth integration of new tech with vital legacy systems, preserving past investments. You also command the pace of change. You decide when to apply software updates to fit your business schedule, not a provider's. So you have total control. What does that make possible? The first and most vital outcome is a superior degree of security. Because you own the hardware, you can build a digital fortress. This means custom firewalls and specific encryption that fit your exact risk profile. For industries like healthcare or finance, meeting strict regulations like HIPAA or PCI DSS is non-negotiable. On-premise lets you design for compliance. When auditors arrive, there is no ambiguity. You can physically show them the servers and logs, making it dramatically simpler to prove compliance. This custom control and security sounds powerful, but it also sounds expensive. So how can on-premise actually save you money? Before we get to cost, there is one more security pillar: data sovereignty. Your data stays within your walls, satisfying national data protection laws. The mechanism is simple. Fewer third parties means fewer potential breach points. Your sensitive information is on your server, in your building. Now, let's see where this control translates into raw power. What about performance? For tasks like high-performance computing, every millisecond matters. On-premise gives you dedicated resources with near-zero latency. What happens when the internet fails? If you are on-premise, your local operations continue, independent of any external connection. This means more consistent performance and higher operational uptime, a powerful combination for any mission-critical application. Okay, let's close the loop. We have control, security, and performance. But what about the cost? This is where the argument becomes very interesting. For predictable workloads, the cloud's pay-as-you-go model is a constant drain. With on-premise, your long-term operational costs are lower and predictable. Let's return to that 18x AI advantage. By owning the GPUs, the break-even point can be hit in months. Over 5 years, the savings are astronomical. A key factor here is the cloud's hidden tax: data egress fees. On-premise has zero data download costs, which can save a fortune. But there's a condition, and it's a significant one. This works best if you have a skilled in-house IT team to manage the infrastructure. Now let's connect the dots. The absolute control we discussed is the direct enabler for the specific security needed in regulated industries. And the dedicated performance for heavy workloads? That consistent, high utilization is exactly what makes the on-premise cost model so favorable. Ultimately, owning your infrastructure leads to predictable costs, which gives you strategic freedom from any single vendor's roadmap or pricing. So, it is not a single benefit, it's a chain reaction. Control enables security. Predictable workloads enable cost savings. Ownership enables independence. Is on-premise dead? Far from it. For businesses with certain needs, it's not a legacy option. It's a deliberate, powerful, strategic choice. We've seen how it provides unmatched control over customization. We have shown its vital role in security, compliance, and data sovereignty. We demonstrated its superior performance for demanding tasks, and we revealed how, for the right workloads, it offers a better long-term cost model. The main takeaway is this: do not default to the cloud. Critically evaluate your most stable, data-heavy, and security-sensitive workloads. Run the 5-year total cost of ownership. Factor in data egress fees. Ask if vendor lock-in is a risk you are willing to take. The answer may surprise you. The smartest IT strategy is not cloud first, it is workload first. And for many vital workloads, the best place is right where you can see them.